Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Secure7. This is part 2 of Module 1 in our ethical hacking series. In part 1, we talked about Kali Linux and why it's the go-to OS for hackers. But now, it's time to dive into one of the most important skills you'll need as a hacker, using the Linux terminal. Yeah, that black screen with blinking text, we're about to make it your best friend. So let's start from the top. The Linux terminal is just a command line interface. Basically, it lets you type instructions directly to your operating system. No clicking, no dragging, just raw power. Think of it like this. When you use the terminal, you're skipping the fancy visuals and going straight to the brain of the computer. When you open the terminal, you'll see something like this. Bash Kali, charge down. Let me break it your name. Kali, your machine's host name. Means you're in your home directory, means you're a normal user. If it's hash, your root. If it's hatter, your root. This is where all the magic begins. Let's learn to move around in the terminal. Where am I? Bash pwd. This tells you the current directory, your location in the system. What's in here? Bash ls shows all the files and folders in your current location. Let's go into a folder. Bash cd desktop. Now we're inside the desktop directory. Go back one step, bash cd, go home anytime, bash cd change. It's just like browsing folders on Windows, but way faster once you get used to it. Now, let's create and manage some files. This is where you start to feel powerful. Create a folder. Bash mkdir test folder. Move into it. Bash cd test folder. Create a new file, bash touchfile1.txt. Check the contents of a file, bash catfile1.txt. It'll be blank for now, but we'll learn to edit it later. Remove a file, bash rm file1 text. Delete a folder, bash cd rm-r test folder. Clear the screen, bash clear. Boom, clean slate. Now, if you ever forget what a command does, no worries. Use man, short for manual. For example, bash man ls. It opens the help page for the ls command. Use the arrow keys to scroll and press Q to quit. Every command has a manual. It's like having Linux's built-in guidebook right in front of you. Sometimes you'll need admin privileges for installing tools or editing system files. That's where sudo comes in. Example, bash sudo apt-update. The system may ask for your password. Just type it and you're good. But be careful, sudo gives you full control, so don't go deleting system files by accident. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Navigating the file system, creating and deleting files, using the manual man, running admin commands with sudo. And this is just the start. The more you use the terminal, the faster and smarter you'll become. Soon, typing commands will feel just as natural as opening apps. All right, that's it for part 2 of Module 1. In the next module, we're going to set up our hacking lab using Metasploitable so we can practice everything in a safe environment. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Secure7, and drop a comment below if you're new to Linux. This is Parth from Secure7, and I'll catch you in Module 2. Stay ethical. Stay curious. Peace.